What is up, fellow Pyro Fanatics? It's been Daddy28 here. And today I'm going to show you guys a demo of a 200-gram cake called T.M.I. Too much information. And it's by Magnus. It's a 25-shot cake. And we got some more information on the side here. We got the volume is 7 out of 10. Theme effect is chrysanthemum. The duration of the cake is about 33 seconds. The effect height is 66 feet on average. Display angle is straight up. And the Pro Index is 3 out of 5. I don't really know what that is. We got the barcode on the side here. If you guys want to scan it with your phone to see the product demo for this cake on the Magnus website. We got some photos of the effects here. And the descriptions on the bottom. We got, with 25 perfectly timed shots, this cake has a great duration. Big chrysanthemums fill the sky and then wow the crowd as their tips change to red, green, or blue. A spectacular time rain finale wraps up the show. Sorry, was that too much information? Alright, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy this demo, and let me know what you think. Alright, we got T.M.I. Too Much Information by Magnus. Not bad.